Alright, so hello guys and welcome back in my another video. So in today's video we will be just flying the carrier approach with cessna 172 for beginning, and then we will just go a little bit on the bigger planes. But yeah, for now let's just try the cessna 172. I just finally know how to record now, which will make the videos coming very more oftenly, once a day, but or maybe 1 or 2 times a week. But yeah, I hope. Right, so yeah, I'm having 380 and no 360, and yeah, let's begin. Right, so I'm a little bit front, but the ATC will then want to do. Alright, so I hope you can hear me, because I tried this video sometimes and it is just not the best, because the sound of the X-plane is way more is way high, is way bigger and is way louder than my sound, and that makes it just hard to hear my voice. I'm still overpowered. I mean, I think this is the third try I made this video. All of the landings were quite nice, but yeah, I have to make it again. I could start with bigger planes, but let's go slower. Right, I'm still overpowered for some reason. While the UK is seeking to break the UA withdrawal agreement, I don't know why. I am overpowered. Right, I have 70 knots and I'm overpowered. That is the I think it's the raising speed, but yeah, who cares. Right, so this is the Cessna 172, so everything should be fine. Right, I can see. I'm low for some reason.
Wave off.
Right, so I have to wave off now, and I just think that's not the hardest thing ever to do. I mean,
Wave off.
there is still some things, but I can use my controller now. Can't, because I know there's some problems, but everything. Yeah, speed of 55 knots. No, yeah, which is way too small. Red flips 100% accidentally press, but I think that's wrong with this. Wave off, so that's the main problem here, because it's just going weirdly, and okay, so it's not parallel to the going of the direction of the boat, but who cares? Wave off. I'm trying, but I can't see anything. Right, so let's just. Right, so the altimeter is quite nice. I just have to make the heading into exactly 360. So yeah, a little bit. Right and left, and right. This should be very nice. I can't see anything now. Oh fuck that. Yeah. Whoa, right, so this is a very cool thing, but I don't think Cessna has this thing, so but, yeah. Right, so it should say cut sometimes. Wave off still, and just got the engines right when it says wave off. I mean, I'm going to be landing there, not perfectly, but right, engines cut. cut. And alright, it was a little hard landing, but not the worst. Down was, so yeah. I hope you can hear me, because that's the final video I'm going to be making. I will make whatever. And yeah, alright, so now let me just say flight. It is number 3 to play and save. I really don't get this. Save. Alright. Replay number 3. Load the flight. And yeah, alright. So I don't think you can hear me, but you should be hearing me quite nice. I don't know. Let me just alright, so right. Climbing not bad, but better than the last time. Being pretty low, but not that low last time. Sadly, nobody will be able to see the video. Right, so I'm not doing it like that. Space. Right, laps. Right, now engine cut, and yeah. Right, so I mean, I don't even know the cessna needs that much of a flare, because the city's landing very nicely. Yeah, right, so just take a look at the normal speed, and as you can see, it's my drag that is coming through. Ooh. That is a very bad thing. Why? Because it, oh, well, let me just take a look at what was that all about. And then I just pressed the breakers. Wait. No. It's quite nice. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. It will probably be the another carrier approach video, but yeah, so beware of the jet blast and propellers and the rotors. So see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.